Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 G815 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When looking for a high-end gaming laptop, the conversation almost always revolves around compromises, specifically choosing between raw graphical fidelity, processing speed, or thermal efficiency. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming AI laptop strips away those compromises completely, serving as an absolute showcase for mobile computing power. Combining a massive 18-inch high-refresh display, an immense memory pool, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence processing, this machine is custom-built for elite gamers, heavy-duty content creators, and professional power users who refuse to settle for anything less than desktop-class performance in a portable format. After testing this hardware across demanding modern software suites and intensive AAA gaming titles, it is clear that ASUS has delivered a true masterpiece of engineering. Everything on this laptop begins with its spectacular physical canvas. The 18-inch display utilizes a crisp 2.5K resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. This 16 by 10 aspect ratio is a massive upgrade over traditional widescreen displays, offering precious vertical screen real estate that proves invaluable for video editing timelines, complex coding environments, and expanded field of view in competitive games. The panel operates at a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate with a rapid 3-millisecond response time, delivering a buttery smooth visual experience where screen tearing and motion blur are virtually non-existent. Furthermore, this is an anti-glare IPS display with 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage. The colors are deeply saturated, vivid, and incredibly accurate right out of the box, ensuring that cinematic single-player environments look exactly as the artists intended, while providing creative professionals with the precise color fidelity required for high-end color grading and asset creation. The true marvel of the Strix G18, however, lies beneath its aggressive chassis design. This machine is powered by the incredibly fast Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. Featuring 24 computational cores and 24 threads, this heavy-hitting chip handles dense multitasking workloads, complex data processing, and physics-heavy game engines without a hint of hesitation. Supporting this massive processing power is an extraordinary 64 GB of high-speed memory and a lightning-fast 1 TB solid-state drive. This immense RAM configuration ensures that you can run multiple resource-heavy applications simultaneously, such as streaming software, local developer environments, and high-fidelity video editors, without ever hitting a bottleneck or experiencing system lag. Graphically, the system is driven by the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop graphics processing unit, backed by 8 GB of next-generation GDDR7 memory. When the processor and graphics card work in tandem, the system delivers an astonishing combined total of up to 798 AI total operations per second. This extreme AI throughput dramatically accelerates deep learning tasks, local machine learning models, and real-time gaming frame generation features like deep learning supersampling. In real-world gaming scenarios, this translates to effortlessly maxing out settings on modern titles at the native resolution, while maintaining exceptionally high, stable frame rates. To keep this top-tier hardware running smoothly without thermal throttling, ASUS has deployed their legendary tri-fan cooling technology alongside extensive heat dissipation fins. Even during prolonged, intense gaming sessions or heavy rendering tasks, the cooling system efficiently moves heat away from the core components, keeping the system stable and the keyboard deck surprisingly comfortable to the touch. The surrounding feature set is equally premium and meticulously thought out. It ships pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional, unlocking enterprise-grade security and advanced remote deployment features out of the box. The typing experience is anchored by a gorgeous 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard that offers great tactile feedback, satisfying travel distance, and full aesthetic customization via software. On the audio front, the laptop features high-end smart amp technology combined with Dolby Atmos certification, producing a rich, spacious soundstage with clear instrument separation and surprisingly deep bass response for an integrated system. Communication is handled gracefully by a sharp full high-definition infrared web camera that supports seamless, password-free biometrics via Windows Hello face recognition, paired with an advanced array microphone featuring intelligent two-way AI noise-canceling technology that filters out disruptive background hums. Connectivity on this machine is incredibly robust, satisfying both legacy accessories and next-generation peripherals. You are treated to 3 USB Type-A 3.2 ports for external drives and gaming peripherals, a versatile full-featured Thunderbolt 4 port for high-speed data transmission and display output, an extra USB Type-C 3.2 port, a dedicated HDMI 2.1 port for pushing uncompressed video to massive high-definition external screens, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for rock-solid wired internet connections. On the wireless side, the inclusion of cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 guarantees blindingly fast network speeds, immense bandwidth, and lower latency, even on congested networks. To round out this comprehensive package, the bundle includes an authentic USB Type-C hub, giving you instantaneous connectivity expansion wherever your workflow takes you. While its massive 18-inch size and considerable weight mean it is not intended for users looking for an ultralight daily commuter laptop, the sheer size is exactly what makes its uncompromising desktop performance and thermal efficiency possible. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming AI laptop stands as a towering achievement in mobile hardware. By fusing elite processing power, next-generation AI graphics acceleration, a magnificent high-refresh display, and unparalleled memory, ASUS has created a definitive, future-proof powerhouse that excels in absolutely every category.